At siguro maraming nagsasabing, uy, ba't ganyan sa Finland? Puro na lang mga puno, puro mga gubat, puro mga bundok. Habang naglalakad, may kakainin ka. O diba, hindi ka magugutom? Good morning! So, and guys, nagre-ready na naman kami. Mag-hiking kami sa Pisa Hill. So, medyo malayo dito. Nasa car na rin si Mr. Nag-aantay. Kailangan naming magsuot ng long sleeve para hindi kami makagat ng mga lamok doon. Ang daming lamok sa forest. And pants. And also, syempre, kasi mag-hiking kami, magsusuot kami ng shoes. My pair of shoes.
Temperature in shadow shows 28.
Yo. Today, the weather is beautiful. Let's go there to the lake. Yan. So, nasa tabi kami ng lake. And we have to go now. Baka mahuli sa biyahe. Ayan, finally arrived here in the parking area. Dito kami magsisimula. And mayroong isang kotse dito at saka isang truck. Anong tawag dyan, honey? Truck na yan.
Camper van.
Camper?
Camper van.
Camper van.
Or mobile home.
Yo. Hindi tayo nag-iisa dito. Hindi lang tayo dito. May nagka-camping and may mga nag-hiking also.
The hilltop at Pisa lies 270 meters above sea level, only 270, so it's not very high. And forms part of a chain of hills, including Colli and Vuokatti, which once formed the roots of ancient mountain range.
Where is this?
On the top.
On the top.
Oh, you will see that.
Okay.
Outcrops of hard quartzite
I want to see that.
Than the surrounding areas, even after millions of years of erosion and many ice ages. Pisa's old-growth forests are rich in insect life, fungi, woodland birds, including blah blah blah.
Blah blah blah.
There is a bird.
Okay.
And it's a nature preserve area.
Yo.
And in the late 16th century, Sweden and Russia fought a war in this region for 25 years.
Yo. Wow.
The peace that had prevailed since the 1323 Kahtinasaari Treaty ended when slash and burn farmers from Savo region in the west spread eastwards into the borderlands.
Oh.
The nomadic Lapps were displaced northwards and local Karelians gradually moved to the east. Many bloody struggles ensued concerning the right to fish and hunt game in these regions' forests. Skirmishes became less frequent after the 1590
Pisan Kierto. 8.5.
As part of the Swedish Empire, start hiking our way through the forests to the top.
Yo. There's a public CR here, public toilet. Actually, gumawa na ako ng video dito before, but ang video na ginawa ko ay yung sinend sa akin ng asawa ko. But now, finally, I'm here and we are together to hike there in the Pisa Hill. More on nature sila dito. And mostly sa kanila ay mahilig mag-hiking, right? And every summer, hindi maiwasan na maraming mga lamok dito sa forest. Mga lamok at iba't ibang klaseng insekto. Kaya ngayon, nagsuot kami ng long sleeve and naka-long pants para paniguradong hindi kami kakagatin ng mga lamok or iba't ibang klaseng mga flies dito.
Try if you feel that the lamok are bothering you, you can try this roll-on insect repellent.
Yeah. No need for now. Let's see later. Yan.
When we are walking and moving, no problem. But if we stay long time in one place, then they start maybe booming on us and then try to.
And also dito sa Finland, sa mga forest, pinapahalagahan talaga nila yung kanilang forest nature. Kaya hindi dito walang baha, walang mga lindol dahil mayaman sila sa mga natures. I mean nature.
Finland's most valuable treasures are the lakes and the beautiful forests.
Yo. Lalong-lalo na every winter ang ganda dito. Actually, lahat naman ng season ang ganda. Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Ang ganda ng season nila. And also, ang bundok nila dito sa Finland ay hindi mataas. Hindi siya mataas katulad ng Philippines. Sobrang taas. At ang daming mga bangin, ganun. At sobrang tirik doon sa Philippines. Pero dito guys, hindi. Katulad nito. Hill lang talaga siya. Sobrang mababa. Kayang-kaya talaga kahit mga bata. Pwede dito. So, ayan yung mark nila. The mark is a sign of a preserve area. Nature's preserve area. And also, ang yaman nila sa mga ibon. Ang daming ibon dito sa Finland. At saka, ang lalaki pa ng iba. Ano yan?
Most,
yeah, from the tree.
It means where that grows, the air is very pure.
At ang linis ng hangin dito. Walang air pollution dito sa Finland. They used to live a healthy living here in the Finland. I think walang tubig dahil summer. So in this coming autumn, I think may tubig na dito. So nandito na kami sa stream. Ito yung stream. Yan, ganyan lang kataas yung bundok nila dito guys. Hindi ka mapapagod. Kapag walang exercise, talagang mapapagod ka. Maninibago yung katawan mo, syempre. Tulad ko kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-exercise kaya mabilis ako mapagod. Ayan. Ang ganda ng mga puno nila. Ang mga puno na yan ay spruce trees, honey, right? Mga spruce trees. And I think ang tatanda na ng mga puno na to. Ang ganda ng wildflower. Color violet. At siguro maraming nagsasabing, uy, ba't ganyan sa Finland? Puro na lang mga puno, puro mga gubat, puro mga bundok. Which is, ganun naman talaga dito. Kasi nasa countryside kami nakatira, kaya puro mga bundok, puro mga gubat. And then, which is, mahilig talaga sila sa mga natures. Katulad nitong area na to, pinipreserve talaga nila para sa mga, hindi lang para sa foreign tourist, para din sa mga local tourist. Which is, mahalaga sa kanila ang nature, ang forest. At halos naman talaga sa kanila, mahilig sila sa hiking. More on hiking and natures.
I found a basura on the ground. I will take it to my pocket and take it away.
Yun. Ganyan sila.
Meters is a viewing place there. Let's go there.
Yeah.
And to the top 700 meters going that way. But let's first go to the viewing area here.
Ganyan sila magpahalaga sa kalikasan. And may dalawang way. Maybe 8.5 kilometers there. And dito naman medyo mababa lang, konti lang. So ang pipiliin namin ay dito. Kasi hindi naman kailangan mag-hike ng 8.5 kilometers. Gagabihin na kami sa pag-uwi. Ayan. And also, ang kagandahan dito sa gubat guys ay ang daming mga wild blueberries. Katulad nito. Ayan, ang lalaki pa. Habang namamasyal ka sa gubat, mayroong free fruits. Hindi ka magugutom. Diba? Tsaka napakasustansya po ng prutas na to. Ayan. Ang lalaki. Habang naglalakad, may kakainin ka. Ayun, si Mr. nauna na. O diba, hindi ka magugutom? Naiinitan na ako konti. Takot lang ako makagat ng lamok. Ang dami niyan sa gubat guys. Ayan. Ayun si Mr. Nagpahangin. Ang sarap daw ng hangin dito.
Come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they built can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond.
OMG. Nagkamali ako dito pala yung way na pinili namin kasi hindi masyadong matagal. Sa other side pala yung yung 8.5 kilometers. So ayan, nagsisimula na kaming maglakbay ulit. dito sa magandang nature sa kabundukan ng Pisa Hill, dito sa somewhere in Savo, North Finland.
8.5 kilometers total that I went then last time by myself, but let's not do that now.
Yeah.
It's sobrang mahaba.
Yeah. 8.5 kilometers if we choose that way.
But here to the top only 400 metro.
Metro lang? Really? But here 8.5 kilometers. Okay, let's go this way. So this one is going to this is Pisa 4 Salmenpelto. Okay. Yo. So we have 1.2 kilometers now walking from the parking area papunta dito. Oh, ayan. Mayroong punong natumba. At dito guys, hindi ka magugutom habang naglalakad ka sa magandang nature sa kalikasan na ito. Ayan, may makikita ka sa tabi-tabing mga free wild berries, blueberries. Pag gutom ka, kumuha ka lang, din kakain ka, mabubusog ka na. And sa kalagayan namin, hindi kami nagbaon ng foods. Kasi iniisip namin na mabilis lang naman. Pero ang ganda lang kasi may mga wild blueberries sa gilid na magbibigay ng energy for us. Yan.
Many different type of fungus and insecto eating the fallen trees.
Yeah.
And then they become earth again.
Yeah.
Here the hardship starts.
Oh, he said the hardship starts there. Yeah.
Rocky path to the top.
Yeah.
Look at here is railings installed.
Yo, good.
Remember Mount Daraitan, your favorite?
Not my favorite, but I like the view there. I like the view there in the Mount Daraitan.
Here we are going now up the hill.
Yeah. Mount Daraitan is the worst I experienced in Philippines, in Panay, Rizal. Sobrang malayo. And also, napakatirik ng daanan doon. Dito hindi.
Here you can see the special type of rock. Rocks here.
Yeah. Mga bato dito guys. Puro mga bato.
That is quartzite. It's like beautiful like white color.
Yo.
Still we continue to the top.
Yeah.
And then there is Hagdan.
Yo.
My Hagdan dito. So it's easy to walk now. Even if there is Lola, they can come here.
Oh, yo. That's a good exercise for them.
Or nanay, tatay, if they don't have malakas na katawan anymore, then anyway they can come here slowly.
Yeah, slowly lang. No need to push your energy. Syempre because kapag matanda ka na, iba na yung energy mo. Pag tumatanda na, nangihina ng mga tuhod, mga kaso-kasuan. Ganun. Ayan.
More. Look down there.
Ayan. Hindi mahirap.
Talaga?
Yo.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Hindi mahirap for me.
Malakas at matiko.
Mount Daraitan is the worst that I've experienced. But here, very easy. Easy to hike here. This kind of hill. And we are lucky that not raining today. Yan. Ayan, sa gilid lang yung mga blueberries. Mga wild blueberries. Ayan. May tao doon. Dami oh. So ayan, finally here. So this is the top.
Yeah. Continue. They also
Continue?
not only this, and
Oh, okay.
there is a view tower that we will climb there a little bit that way. But these are the rocks that they mark their initials for the sign of the peace.
This rock sign of the sign of a peace?
Yeah. Russia and Sweden.
Wow.
After having war for 25 years.
You. Great history.
Yeah. Okay, we can continue to the deck.
Yeah, let's continue. Akala ko dito na, hanggang dito lang. Patuloy pa pala. Patuloy pa kami sa paglalakbay. So hindi lang kami ang tao dito, may nagha-hiking din dito.
Look how that tree looks like a dried old dead
Yeah.
tree.
And soon will fall down. Because too dry, then probably break and fall down. Okay. Finally arrive here, guys. So ayan yung tower. Ayan, may tao dun sa taas. Wait lang. Kain muna tayo. Okay, let's go guys. Aakyatin natin itong tore na to. Finally here. Yan. Finally on the top. So, ayan guys. Nandito na kami sa pinakatuktok. And, masarap ang simoy ng hangin. And then, but suddenly, become cloudy. Suddenly, naging cloudy. So, kailangan na namin bumalik sa parking area. Pabalik doon sa car para makabalik na kami sa cabin. So, this is a nice hiking here in Pisa Hill. So, ayan, nandun na si Mr. sa baba. Ayan, medyo nakakahilo yung, yung hagdan. Kasi paikot. Finally, nakababa na kami sa matirik na, anong tawag dyan, tore? Yeah, nakababa na kami. And medyo nakakahilo. Then, going back to the parking area.
1.6 kilometers.
1.6 kilometers lang. So, I think that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you my next vlog. Bye-bye. Honey, bye-bye.